Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga was spotted on Sunday in Chinhoyi, where he visited the Swanepoel family at their Chinhoyi farm to offer comfort following the death of their patriarch, the former Commercial Farmers Union President Nick Swanepoel. Sabena mashiko abdanyo gwa chinzi. VP Chiwenga spotted in Chinhoyi. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mnamubdanyo gwa chinzi. His death in May left a profound mark on both the agricultural community and the broader discourse on land reform in Zimbabwe. Swanepoel's legacy is one of the racial reconciliation and agricultural development, pivotal in navigating the complex landscape of land redistribution that took place at the turn of the millennium. President Mnangagwa had previously hailed Swanepoel as a claiming influence during tumultuous times, emphasizing his role in fostering dialogue and understanding between differing factions within the farming community. During his tenure, Swanepoel was renowned for advocating peace solutions to the contentious issues surrounding land reforms. He stood firm against extremism factions within the CFU that sought to resist the necessary changes prompted by the government's land redistribution program. His proposals, first presented to the government in 2001, called for collaboration among farmers to effectively tackle land redistribution. VP Chiwenga commended these efforts, highlighting how they culminated in the historic Global Compensation Deed of July 2020. This landmark agreement saw the government committing to compensating farmers for improvements made on acquired land, addressing lingering grievances from past. In course, in my visit, I aimed to check on the family after Swanepoel's passing. He was instrumental in establishing the Global Compensation Deed, said VP Chiwenga. It is heartening to see the Swanepoel family united in spirit, carrying forward the legacy of their father. Doma shikwana mudai tokana VP Constantino Chiwenga when you spotted in Chinhoyi. Pina comment section meduzo funguro enyi matulipa msirupe chituko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.